Gamers, what is up? Welcome to another video. Today we are playing some more Pager. So, I'm thinking maybe we can finish it today, but unsure. Honestly, I don't even know like if there is an end to this game. It looks like there's what's it called? I don't know. Maybe we gotta like fill all these boxes up over here. No clue, but let's get into it, baby. All right, so we got A1C3. He high? Maybe. H5F2. Nah. A2H4. E8 E3. E80. E80. Or he high. He high. He high. He high. All right, we're going he high. And boom. He high. All right. Ooh, it's a little maze, and I'm giant in the maze. I'm humongous. 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 Please test this brand new setup. We forecast that it will increase productivity by 2%. Okay. I already feel more productive. I already feel more productive. Alright. Okay. What product? Open. Oh. Hell yeah. Very nice. Is that all? Okay. I am fish. Fish out of water. Fish out of water. All right. 360 no scope. This one. That was weird. I'm not gonna lie. E3G2. Date Sate. Date Sate sounds pretty cool. 6B5. H2B8. His bait. Ooh. Do we take the bait? A3. A4. Let's take the bait. His bait. H2. B8. That's D8. D8. B8. His bait. Some weak manager fell asleep in the meeting room after a regular 3-day meeting. Please put them in their beds. 3-day meeting is crazy. Where's their beds? Oh, that's the elevator. Alright. Whoa. Okay. Womp, 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 womp. Whoa. This room's cool. Okay, let's go get one of them. Put them in the nighty-night room. Okay. Here you go. Okay. Oh, this is where it started. Alright, come on, fellas. Why do they just keep getting smaller? Like they're like normal size, and then I grab them small. I'm just gonna put this guy over here in this corner. And then this guy. We're gonna put him right. We'll make a bridge. Great. Go to the next floor. Okay. Is there any secrets in here? No. Very good. All right. Later. Okay. I don't know what's going on with those squares, but I need to figure out how to fill them in more. We got 2, 4, 6 left to fill. And C6, E8, H3, C7, C1, F6, D7, F5. I don't know. Think E8, C6. I saw 6. Saw 6, C6, E8. Because 6 wasn't hungry after 7. And that's how you got 6, 9. It's all clicking. Please find the elevator and go to the next floor. Just be extra careful on this one. Okay. Oh, this one is actually a maze. Do not look back, run to the elevator. Okay. I can't really run, but... Wonder what would happen if I look back. Man. Alright. It was 1. Yes. See, another box is filled in? Okay. So, D5, C5, C2, hate. C2, hate. Date. Datey6. Datey6. A4, F4. A4, 4. A4, 4. Or date E6. We're going date E6. Date E6. Because we're going to the 86th floor. Right? Date E6. Ay caramba. Date 86. Alright. We got this. Okay. Do I really need to type on every computer? I see. Yes. Alright. Locked. Okay. Whoa. Put it in the blender. If it escapes, we will hire it. If not, blend. Put what in the blender? This little fella? Yo. Alright. Put this little fella in the blender. Escape, buddy. Come on, you got this. We didn't have the we didn't have the position anyway. Next floor. I'll drink, little fella. Oh my god, why? Hey. I don't know. Because the option was there. Shout out, little fella. Dang. Okay, that wasn't a square. That's all right. All right. We're going E7, H7, B7, C7, C5, C3, G5, C3, C5, D3, A3 date, a 3 date, B7, C7, A3 date. We're going A3, A3 date, A3 date. The month of March. My birthday. My birthday. All right. Choose the portrait that resembles you the most. Cool, cool, cool. You know, this guy's speaking to me. Hang it in your office and continue to the next floor. Whoa. What the? Boom. Okay. Where's the next? What the? I'm so confused what's going on right now. Alright. Ooh. That was trippy. Ah. True art. Alright. That was not another? Okay. H4, A4, A2, D2. Gate E7. We're going to Gate E7. But then we're going backwards. Because the last one is Gate E8. Fuck it, we're going Gate E7. Boom. Boom. Gate E7. Oh, Gate E7. Okay, maybe this is good. We're getting a different gate. No messages. Alright. Get rid of the ring. Dum, dum, dum. Right. I'm feeling very tempted right now. Where do I put it? In here. I'm taking it with me. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I thought it was like a little planet. I think that's the light. Aw. Maybe we can use it to defeat our competitors. All right. Well. Gulp. Sorry, bud. We don't have any competitors anyways. All right. 32. Oh. Wait, am I actually going up? I never noticed the number at the top of the elevator. Is that the trick? Is it like every 10 floors or something? We're checking that next time. G6 F1, A6 Bates, H1 A7, C4 C7. I C4 but C7. F6 B2, A6 Bates. There's 6 different Bates. Where's A6? God dang. All the way over there. Alright, A6 Bates. Alright, the last one was like 37, I think. Or was it 32? I think it was 32. Gulp. Fring. Fring. Cook trash chair. Trash cook chair. The floor manager demands that everyone in the hall move only when he moves. Am I in the hall technically? Looking around is okay, just don't touch him. Ooh. Let's try again. Okay, shit. Awkward. Seven, eight. Fuck. By the way, the elevator is in room 5. All right. All right. Typing. He's watching. Oh, I can type on that one. Grab a cup of coffee. Cup of coffee. Oh, the elevator. Wait. Oh. Okay, maybe it is every like 10 levels or something that the door goes up. God damn. All right. I didn't think it would count. Let's take the coffee and get out of here. Oh, the eye's not on there no more. What the hell? All right. Now. Okay. G1, F1. So I think it is every 10 floors that we get a little checker. Because the last floor was 32. This floor was 33. So let's do D4H4. D4 H4. D4 H4. D44. D44. Because of the wind, all papers were scattered. Please place them on the closest desk. Okay. The others told me to get rid of him. This wasn't a place for a soft creature. Over time, he learned our ways and our language. Alright. We used to disappear without meaning. Now, disappearing in a race was the highest thing we could achieve. Huh. He wasn't the fastest or the slowest, yet there was something elegant about how he moved. We couldn't stop watching him and cheering as such as we could. What the hell? What's with the wave breakers over there? Almost no one from those days is still here. Everything he taught us has been forgotten. Not long after the race began, he disappeared just like that. What is going on? He helped us more and more, and the others began to respect him. With his teachings, we built an efficient, well-functioning community. My memory isn't as sharp as it once was, though I remember the first time I saw him like it was yesterday. I was hungry, hunting for butterflies. He stood there, scared and confused at first. I thought he was prey, something to eat. I don't know what drew him to me. Before he came, we lived and ran by instinct. He introduced the concept of competition in racing. It changed everything. Those days were peaceful. He began to act more like us, even grew a bit of a shell. Then one day he wanted to join the races. I didn't want him to, but I couldn't say anything. Okay, check if everything's correct and go to the next floor. We had a huge celebration to honor him. Afterward, I couldn't accept his absence and shut myself away. My time is ending. I wanted to leave something behind, his memory, even if no one can read or understand. Alright. Crazy. The lore is Lauren right there. Oh, I forgot to look at the number. Damn. Yeah, okay. So that means G6, C3, E6, D4, H1. D4 high. D4 high. D4 high. D4 high. Gulp. What is going on? Please find the syrup on the floor and drink it in one shot. I am not throwing away my shot. What? Oh. This is our best product yet. It grants temporary flight. Use it to remove the snails from the tube. They will rot in the glass otherwise. The snails? The snails? What snails? I don't know what's going on here. Oh, there we go. Bloop. I see the snails. Whoa! Syrup does not have a long-lasting effect. Noted. All right. So, I'm confused on how we fill these dots in. Oh well. Credits 51. Time 10:51. I don't know what's going on. All right. We're going Gate B. Sounds good. State B6. 666. He G6. He G6 or Gate B3? Or Gate B? He G6. Cause he fly like a G6. Butterflies involved yet again. He G6. The Hegis. Oh, right here. Huh. Huh. The elevator's right here. Oh. Make them obey. What do I have to make them obey? Huh. Now they're cheering. Whoa. Alright, you're fine. Oh, it's the stands. What do I do? Did I miss something in here? Nah. 36. I think that's 36. To be real, I don't know what's going on. Alright, E4. H7, B. Let's go E4, H7. Alright. The manager of the floor has a butterfly allergy. Please catch all of them. Yippee! Just like the good old days. Nice. Let's go in here. Huh? I think these floors are breaking or something. These doors are, anyway. Okay. Got him. Got him. Well, I kind of feel bad for catching these butterflies now. Boop. Oh, poor butterflies. Poor butterflies. Okay, can't go that way. Honestly, I don't even know what to say. Just go. Okay, let's say less. 37. Okay, it is going up in order. What does it mean? F7B1. Hate B. Hate B. Hate bees. Alright, where's H8? Ay, caramba. Alright. As a joke, your colleagues divided your body parts and hid them around the floor. They even left a guard. What? Find all your body parts and go back to work. Just don't get caught. Well. Super cool. Super cool and fun. Super cool and fun and cool. Torso. Right leg. How am I moving around? I'm a worm. Huh. Can I close that? Whoa. Oh. Cool. Oh, shit. Now that we'll cut everything in even more pieces. Ooh. Okay. That actually scared me a little bit, not gonna lie. BC4. That was not a fun one. Gate C7. BC4. Cause we're the Beastie Boys. Alright, B. C4. It's gonna be an explosive one. These textures are going crazy. You need to kill it? What? No. Not happening. Man. Come on, man. Look away. Oh. Maybe it's not as bad. Click. What is going on? Click. Woo! Thanks. Next floor. Oh my goodness. I thought they were gonna have me kill the dog. Yes. Give them all the pats. All right. Good boy. Or girl. Yeah. Follow me, buddy. Follow me, little buddy. Worry not. All right. I feel like we probably have to part ways here. You be good now. All right. I like that one. That was good. That was a good one. All right. B6, F2. He4. B4, 6. B6, F2. I don't know why I keep yawning every time we come to the screen. All right. H3, H4. Let's do that one. H3, H4. All right. We are working on a drop that can increase the size of organic matter. You don't say. Go to room 1 and take the dropper. What if I go to room 2? Head to room 2 and apply it to the spider on the table. No. How about I apply it to myself? Okay. Man, I really don't want to do that. Let's wait a little. Nothing happened. Proceed to the next floor. Oh, hell no. Nope. Fuck. I'm not looking back. Whew. Screw that shit. Okay. E3, B6, he date. H3, D8. Let's see that one. H3, D8. Develop. Work is identity. All right. Work is life. And there's no way out right here. Oh. Work is important. Work is freedom. No, it's not. It is not. Everybody is waiting for you. Mom? Dad? Hello, everybody. Welcome, welcome. Oh, hello, my loyal fans. That works too. Yeah, but like, and then imagine like, you know, I don't hear anybody cheering. Can I get a cheer for that? Or maybe what about this? Oh! That was a great speech. Please go to the next floor. Oh my goodness. I knew that would get him. I knew that would work. Hey, high five, everybody. Yeah. All right. Okay, maybe some of them want my signature. Okay. All right, ladies. I'm trying to do my work. All right. I think I've got. Oh, that was a good one. I got us a square. I think I'm gonna do 2 more, and I think we'll call the episode there. All right. Let's do D6C1. D3H4. D3H4. D4. D4. H4. Working. All right. We want to test if the reflections multiply the output as well. Please take your reflection to the next floor with you. Why don't I have a head? I got the Vogue. Come on, buddy. Come on. Sure hope he came with me. Okay. Cool. Very cool. Very fun and cool. All right, last one, gamers. We're gonna go D3. We're gonna go G6. G6 it is. G3. E6. G3, E6. Get the document from room 8 and get out. Okay. What could the document be? Do not get caught by rovers. You can use the lockers to hide. Oh. Will they come all the way down here or just... Bro, what? I see. Easy. Holy cow. Is there gonna be like a rover Reddit? Stop wandering, the document is behind the door? No. Oh. Okay. Oh no, we gotta do it again. Okay. Boom! Easy. Alright. Don't get caught by the rovers. Cool. Very nice. Very nice. Alright, gamers. I'm going to call it there. I don't want this one to be another super long one on accident like the last one. So, we're going to turn part 2 into a part 3. Boom. Nope, maybe not 4, maybe not 5, but 3. We're going to do part 3. Stay tuned for part 3. Will be up soon. So, I'm going to call it there. Let me know what you guys think and if you guys would like to keep seeing this. I'm thinking maybe part 3. I don't know. I think part 3 should be the final one. Hopefully. But we'll see. So, I'll see you guys in the next one. And yeah. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And that's what's up, gamers. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.